What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video we're going to be pickling some Brussels sprouts, coming up right after this. First thing we're going to do is wash our Brussels sprouts, rinse them off.
Okay, first we're going to cut the ends off the Brussels sprouts. Then we're going to cut them in half. And on the larger ones, you might want to cut them in half again.
I'm just going to blanch these, cook them for a few minutes, and while that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and make the brine. Real simple. It's 3 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and I'm using apple cider vinegar because y'all know I like the apple cider vinegar. But you can use white. Actually, I used white vinegar on the last batch I made. 2 tablespoons of salt. Whoop. Guess I need to be a little more careful with that. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn. Whoops. Sorry, that was the red pepper flakes. 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Bring it to a boil and just let it cook for about 5 minutes. I'll turn the heat down once it comes to a boil.
We're saving this for later!
Okay, so the brine is done. The Brussels sprouts are ready to be put in the jar. We'll just go ahead and put them, put them in the jar. And let me make a mess here. I thought it'd be easier with that funnel, but I'm not so sure. Stuff them in there. Looks like I'm just a little bit shy of filling that jar. You can see these are the ones I did last week. Okay, and you guys know how I like to spice things up. So we're adding
jalapeno.
Be careful when you're cutting up a jalapeno. I always just take the stem off. I'll cut this end off here. Throw it away. And I'm just going to slice it into like pickle slices. And I'm keeping the seeds because I like the heat. If you don't want it so hot, then take the seeds out. Be careful not to rub your eyes or touch any parts of your body that you don't want to get burned. So I'm just going to stuff those. Okay, so I cut up that jalapeno and put it on top. I will just pour the brine over the top. Actually, this is where I need my funnel. Pour that brine over the top. Fill that baby up. seal the jar. Give it a little shake. And remember, that's the way we like to let them sit. Put them upside down, let them sit for a week. Okay, so like I said, I did 2 quarts of these last week, and they came out really good. The other jar is about half gone already. There you have it, pickled Brussels sprouts. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.